Snow Labyrinth in the ski resort of Zakopane, Poland. The world's largest labyrinth of snow was built in Poland. It is located in the ski resort of Zakopane, at the foot of Wielka Krokiew Mountains, which is the country's highest ski jump. Welcome to Travel Top Sites. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell to receive the notification for our future videos. The labyrinth is laid out from 60,000 snow blocks with a height of 2 meters. Next to it was installed a snow knight's castle with a height of 16 meters. It has slides for sledging, numerous tunnels and passages, viewing platforms. There is also a real blacksmith shop, an exhibition of knightly armor, and a square where custom knightly tournaments are held. Just 1 month later, Polish builders managed to build a clear geometric structure with an area of 2,500 square per meter. According to experts, the snow labyrinth in the Polish city of Zakopane have every chance of official recognition and getting into the Guinness Book of Records. The creators of the original winter project at the ski resort are Arthur Harber and Jaroslav Stills. Work on the maze in Zakopane began in November. However, the warm December weather called into question the successful completion of the project. The frost that hit the New Year holidays allowed the builders to successfully complete the job. New winter attraction in Zakopane has gained great popularity. In the snow maze of popular ski resort, both children and adults walk with the player. A truly unforgettable spectacle awaits you at the Ice and Snow Festival in Harber. Founded in 1963, it quickly gained immense popularity and was recognized as the most beautiful winter holiday in the world. If you like the information in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel Travel Top Sites. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.